Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 5th, 2022, and I'm doing this video because, the news tried to placate price action for stocks to something, to some type of catalyst, and they're trying to say that the stock in Alibaba went down, crashed because of Jack Ma's arrest, and in the grand scheme of things, it was false. The news wasn't even real of his arrest. And I'm going to talk about that today because I want everyone to begin to look at what's real and what's true outside of what could be spun. The narrative can always be switched to sway the mind to act a certain way. This is what the news is for. It's to get you to do certain things, to act a certain way. And I'm going to show you all that today on this video for Alibaba. So welcome to my channel. To those who are new, I do price predictions. I don't pay attention to the news. I don't pay attention to what the earnings are for these particular companies. I don't pay attention to what is being tweeted about Alibaba, about Jack Ma. I don't care less about that information, because what people do with their own money actually tells us where they're trying to take price. So to those who are new, if y'all appreciate my videos, my content, go ahead and keep it locked in here. Hit the like button. And also subscribe here to the channel. Now check this out. If you do a Google search, right, and type in Jack Ma arrest, you guys can see that there's a plethora of articles being thrown across the internet about how him being arrested falsely caused $26 billion to be dumped off the stock. Look at Fortune. Alibaba investors are so skittish they dumped $26 billion because police arrested someone named Ma. It wasn't Jack. Are you serious? You trying to tell me that Wall Street is so intellectually sound that they have some of the brightest minds on Wall Street creating these most powerful algorithms to go in and trade and sell consistently, and you're trying to tell them that they are afraid of what news say of some guy named last name Ma got arrested and it wasn't the Jack? You guys can see how they're trying to spin this. Fears about Jack Ma's arrest caused Alibaba share price to crash. Look at that, Business Insider. That is not the reason. The New York Post, 21 hours ago, Alibaba loses $26 billion in market value on rumors of Jack Ma's arrest. These people need to stop. This is what causes people to mess up in their positions. How did the price fall on his arrest when these articles are coming out after the fact, but price already fell, or the market valuation for Alibaba stock fell $26 billion? How? Was it an algorithm that caught that some guy last name Ma was arrested and went ahead and sold all the stocks? How did the market already fall $26 billion though? These articles are not that old, but they want you to think that this is how the market really works, and it's not. This is how the market really works. This is where the truth is. We cannot act like the price chart isn't the real deal. This is the real deal. This is what everybody who has a vested interest in Alibaba is doing. All the way since 2020, the consensus of the market in Alibaba has been selling. Look at the downtrend. Massively entrenched. It's ingrained on this price chart. The news did not create this down move in Alibaba. People selling the stock created this downtrend. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Just like during this time period, people were buying the stock in Alibaba here, and they kept price from falling, but they weren't successful. Price in Alibaba still fell. Now we're back again. Let's look at what the majority of the market is trying to do now in Alibaba, and let's not get caught up in this. This is not the way for us to become profitable traders, investors in the market, because if you always follow the news, you will always be reacting after the fact. In order for us to win, we need to be proactive. We need to be ahead of the competition and wait for them to bring price to where we expected it to go so that we can capitalize from it. That is how this game is going to be played for us to win. So now let's be forward thinkers and let's try to figure out, okay, what is the market in Alibaba really trying to do? What are we trying to see this market do? Okay. So first of all, I want us to look at this area. because where price is right now in Alibaba, we need to allow the market to continue to hold this price level right here going forward. Okay, this is where we want to maintain and see buyers. Okay, now we've done it twice. Okay, we saw buyers come into the market in Alibaba twice, right here, March the 11th, 2022, and again towards the ending of April 2022. Now we got earnings coming up, so expect some volatility. Okay, expected, because the market like to use these events as times to offload or even buy more of these shares. Okay, get it? But the market has already shown us what it really expects. Now I'm looking at the market in Alibaba trying to consolidate, or at best we're going to continue to go lower. Okay, either or. That's my main purpose to looking at this chart right now, is that either we're going to continue to do this, okay, in the long term, or we could do this. Okay, that's the forecast. That's what I'm looking forward to. Now, can we see the market in Alibaba do this? Yes, we can, but that doesn't look likely given all the different situations that people would act on what the market could do. Okay, that's less likely to me that we could see the market in Alibaba try to break out of this massive downtrend. Okay, so now let me do this. I want us to focus in on these lines because it's going to tell us who's winning in the market. Okay, price in Alibaba gets rejected here at 110, sellers are winning. Price gets rejected on this downtrend line, sellers are winning. Price comes all the way down here to $86 and holds it, buyers are winning. Okay, this is what these lines represent. So we need to pay attention to the price action into the market in Alibaba right now. So now, over the last couple of 2-day price bars, take a look. We've seen instances to where the market in Alibaba right here wanted to go down, but the result, it didn't. Okay, we can see it again here on the 3-day. The market in Alibaba is trying to go up. The market is trying to go up. Now, this last 5-day price bar looks pretty good because it has almost taken out the last 2 5-day price bar, which is equivalent to 10 days. One 5-day price bar literally took out all the people who was trying to sell Alibaba the last 10 days. Okay, now I'm not massively bullish though. I'm not massively bullish because I already can tell where the last problem was. Is around 110. Okay, so look at this. Are you looking for the price in Alibaba to go up or down? 2 weeks. Okay, this 2 weeks price bar in Alibaba looks pretty decent, but I cannot be 100% reliant on the information right now because I still got 1 day and 9 hours left, and that can literally transpose this whole price bar right now. But currently it looks good for us to see the market in Alibaba go up. Okay, so now I am looking for the price in Alibaba to go up, but like I told you earlier, I'm not a bull. I'm not massively bullish into looking at this stock going up in Alibaba. I want you all to see this though. Okay, my first price target is going to be here, 110. Okay, 110, because that was the last issue that the buyers controlled. They're going to come across more people trying to sell it now, so that's my first price target. Can we see the market hit 120? We can, but we got this downtrend line that's in the way. So anywhere that we can see the market price in Alibaba hit on this descending line will be my second price target, anywhere. Okay, and that's it. That's how far I'm gonna go. No higher than that. Not right now. Okay, so I want us to see how high the price is going to go. So I'm gonna keep these two lines here because I want us to use this as a reference point as to where we can see the market go. Okay. And as long as we see the market in Alibaba continue to hold $87, we're going to continue to expect the market to consolidate with the chances of us seeing the price go up. Okay. So now this is what I'm looking forward to. I want you all to go ahead and give me your price prediction, your price target into the market in Alibaba, and let's not be relying upon what the news is trying to drop, right? We got to be ahead of them. This is late. This information is late. We cannot utilize this information because the market has already priced in what they expect the market to do in the future. We got to think along those lines. So go ahead and let me know. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.